Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha drink. First, gather your essential ingredients: tea, sugar, water, and a healthy SCOBY with some starter liquid. A SCOBY is a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, crucial for fermentation. You'll also need a clean glass jar and a breathable cover. This process transforms sweet tea into a tangy, effervescent beverage. To begin your first fermentation, brew a strong batch of sweet tea. Use about 1 cup of sugar and 8 tea bags per gallon of water. Allow this tea to cool completely to room temperature, ideally between 68 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, to protect your SCOBY. Then, gently add your SCOBY and 2 cups of starter liquid to the tea in a clean glass jar. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band, placing it in a warm, dark spot for 7 to 14 days. Once your first fermentation is complete, remove the SCOBY and set aside about 2 cups of the finished kombucha as starter for your next batch. Now, it's time for the second fermentation, where you add flavor and carbonation. Pour your kombucha into airtight bottles, adding your choice of fruit, juice, or spices. Leave about 1 inch of headspace in each bottle. Seal them tightly and let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 5 days to build carbonation. After the second fermentation, move your flavored kombucha to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process, preserving its flavor and carbonation. Remember to save your SCOBY and the 2 cups of starter liquid for your next brew. For a continuous supply, you can adopt a continuous brewing method, where you regularly draw off some kombucha and replenish it with fresh, sweet tea, cleaning the vessel every 12 to 18 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.